Hello guys, welcome to Pinoy Side Hustle TV. In this video, I will share and teach you how to mine TopSwap tokens. As you can see, I already accumulated 9 million TopSwap tokens. So what I did here is by tapping this circular button in order for us to get or acquire tokens. Also, you can use this boosting strategy, to increase your mining rate. So, for example, this one you can use multi-tap to increase your mining rate and also energy limit. And we can also have use this daily boosters. Okay, so for example, I will use the tapping guru. So I will use tapping guru. It will gives us a particular time, or at least I think 15 seconds. It will increase our tapping rate to from 15 to 75. So we have 3 times or 3 trial for our tapping guru. Okay, and then back to 15 mining rate. So if you don't have or if you don't already have this TopSwap account, you can register, and I will drop the link in the comment section or in the description box. Okay, so TopSwap is also partnered with Binance. So make sure as early as you can, you will accumulate more and more TopSwap tokens, because our supply here, we have a mean total share balance of 136 trillion. Okay, that is trillion. So you can have a share of that. So make sure to accumulate many tokens here. So I will use the tapping guru again, and also you can use this full tank booster. So for example, I have already used my daily energy, then I can use my full tank booster. So it refilled our tank or our energy. Okay, so just accumulate and accumulate. So in the future or during the minute, we can swap our tokens to real money. So hoping guys, this video helps you, and consider subscribing if you find this video valuable to you.